In this video, I am going to show you how you can customize the design and content of WordPress sign-up email sent to users. For this, we will use a free WordPress plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Here, click on Add New. Search for Visual Email Builder by WP Monks. Install and activate the plugin. Now, the Visual Notifications menu item will show in the side. Under the Visual Notifications menu, click on Add New. Select Sign Up User under Trigger drop-down. Now, you can modify the email subject, CC, BCC, from name, from email from the settings. You can easily customize the content and design of the email from the visual editor by dragging and dropping elements and customize colors, etc. Once done, then click on Publish button to save the email. That's it. It's this easy and you don't have to write a single line of code.